Now, let me show you how to return a JSON output. Okay, so now I'm going to create something called cricket. Let this be a dictionary which is going to contain let this be a list which contain a dictionary list of dictionaries. Okay, so each and every dictionary will have some id colon 1. Let me keep the id as a string. Okay, 1 name colon Tony. I'm going to create another id with 2, and the key it is going to have is name colon id colon 3 our name colon Roy. So basically I have a dictionary. Now instead of returning this text response, I'm going to return this JSON response. So now the data that you have at line number 7 is not a JSON output. It is a plain list of output. Okay. So now I want to convert that to JSON. There are a lot of it to do it. In fact, Flask itself gives you one library. So from Flask, import, look at that, JSONify. That means the normal content will be reflected back, change back to JSON content. So let me create another file. Def home2 colon return. I should return the cricket, but cricket will not return as it is. So what I have to do? I have to JSONify that. What I'm going to do with JSONify? My list called cricket. That's it. So now here I need to decorate this function with app.route, and this time let me route like players. Okay, so let this be the method like get only. That's it. Now whenever URL comes up with this player as an API, right, then it will return this particular JSON output. Okay, since you're already having this in the running state, it would have got by default. Okay, it will automatically detect, but still I'm running it one more time. Okay, yes. So now when you hit, you will get the response, but when you hit like this, look at that. Now it is displaying the JSON output. Now it is displaying the JSON output. That's how the Flask works. So whatever we seen is two things. One, how to return normal content, and next one is that how to return a JSON content. Okay. Now I'm going to give some specific things. What it is returning? It is returning all the JSON that you have as a part of your input. Now I'm going to create another function which is going to give a specific ID as per the number that you enter on the URL. Now in the URL you are very generic. You are hitting the route call only players. Now I'm going to create another route, another decorator for another function which is going to give you the specific ID. Okay, look at that. Let me create another function. Okay,